Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn the bird cam. It's not a movie we want to do, but it's kind of like the one drag bag move where you hop on the ball, step, and then go back. And this one's different. You go hop, step, and then drag over. So let me get back here so I have no space to do it, and then kick this headband in. So when you do it properly and fast, it looks like that pretty much. Like that. It's pretty much like the Maradona, except in this move you step, touch, then roll. In the Maradona, it's all one fluid motion. You just go step on the ball, and then you do it one slow motion. So, and there's a defender. There's really not one there, but just go. Oh yeah, like that. Just hit the goal. I'm gonna score this time. What I tell you. So, that's that move. That's it, guys.